Welcome my dear students in grade 4. Today we want to talk about measuring capacity and measuring weight. We want to know the units of measuring capacity and weight and how to convert from a unit to another. At first we will talk about capacity. What do you mean by capacity? Capacity is the amount of liquids such as water, juice, oil and whatever. The amount of liquid which fill a container like a bottle, a can or a glass or whatever. So the amount of liquid which fill a container is the capacity of this container. We have two units for measuring capacity. We have liter and milliliter. Liter for large capacities and milliliter for small capacities. 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. Okay. Also, it's important to know that 1 liter is the same as 1 decimeter cube. So the liter is the same as decimeter cube. And the milliliter is the same as centimeter cube. Okay? Decimeter cube and centimeter cubes are two units you studied before in science for measuring volume. Okay? So this is the relation between capacity and volume. Liter is the same as decimeter cube. Milliliter is the same as centimeter cube. Try to solve this exercise. The first one, we are converting from liter to milliliter, from big to small, so I'll multiply by 1000. It will be 3000. The next one, from milliliter to liter, from small unit to big unit, so I'll divide by 1000. It will be 5. The next one, 3.5 liter to milliliter. It means I want to multiply from big to small. I'll multiply by 1000. It will be 3500 milliliters. The next one, from liter to decimeter cube. Yes, we said before liter is the same as decimeter cube, so I write 14. 150 milliliter to liter, from small to big. Divide by 1000. It will be 0.15 or 0.15 liters. The next one, from milliliter to liter, also from milliliter to liter, so I'll divide also by 1000 to be 1.5. Okay. So for small capacities we will use milliliter, and for large capacities we will use liter. So the amount of juice of family size, for example, I'll use liter. A dose of medicine written by a doctor, the measuring unit is milliliter. The amount of water filling a bottle, also liter. Now I want you to remember that half of a liter is 500 milliliters, a quarter of a liter is 250, and 3/4 of a liter is 750 milliliters. Okay, don't forget. Let's talk about weight. You studied weight before in science in the first semester as a mass, okay, as a mass. So we have 3 units for measuring weight. The first unit is ton for very large weights, for medium and large kilograms, and for small weights we will use grams. 1 ton is 1000 kilograms, so I'll multiply by 1000 if I want to convert from ton to kilograms, and I'll divide by 1000 if I want to convert from kilograms to ton. By the same way, kilogram equal 1000 grams, so I multiply by 1000 if I want to convert from kilogram to gram, and I'll divide by 1000 if I want to convert from gram to kilograms. What about if I want to convert from ton to gram? In this case, I'll multiply by 1000 times 1000, so I have 6 zeros, so I multiply by 1 million. By the same way, if you want to convert from gram to ton, also you will divide by 1 million. Okay, it's very important. Okay, let's remember that the half of kilogram is 500 grams, the half of ton 500 kilograms, the quarter of kilograms 250 grams, and the quarter of ton 250 kilograms. Also, 3/4 of a kilogram equals 750 grams, and 3/4 of a ton 750 kilograms. Okay, complete. Here we have 3 tons. I want to convert it into kilograms from big to small, so I'll multiply by 1000. So we have 3000 kilograms. If I want to convert it into grams, in this case I'll multiply 3 times 1 million to be 3 millions. The second one, from kilogram to gram, big to small, also, yes, multiply. I'll multiply by 1000. Move the point to the right 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So 2365. The next one, 6.5 of tons. 6 tons to kilograms. 6 tons equal, yes, 6000 kilograms. And half ton, 500. So I have 6000 and 500. Now from gram to kilograms. From small to big. I'll divide by 1000. Yes. So it will be 32.515. More exercises. Here we have gram to kilogram, small to big. So, yes, excellent. Divide by 1000. And now I want to approximate it to the nearest kilogram. To the nearest kilogram. To the nearest kilogram, it means to the nearest unit or to the nearest whole number. If you want to approximate to the nearest any unit, kilogram, gram, ton, centimeter, meter, liter, or whatever, the first step is to convert to this unit, then approximate to the nearest whole number or the nearest unit. Okay, so here I want to convert to the nearest whole number. So look at the unit here, 5. Look at the right, we have 6 more than 5, so I'll add 1. It will become 16. The next one, from milliliter to liter. Also, yes, divide by 1000. Then approximate to the nearest liter, it means to the nearest whole number. 12. And here we have 5. 5 is greater, equal or greater to 5. I'll add 1. So I'll add 1 to 2 to become 13. Okay, here from kilogram to ton. To the nearest ton. So I'll convert it into ton at first by dividing by 1000. Then here we have 562.149. I want to approximate it to the nearest ton or to the nearest whole number or to the nearest unit. Here we have 2 and to the right we have 1 less than 5. So don't add 1. The result will be 562. Okay. So don't forget, if you want to approximate to the nearest unit, like kilogram, gram, ton, milliliter, or liter, or any unit, the first step you should convert into this unit. Then approximate to the nearest whole number. Okay. I hope you have understand our session today. Next session we will talk about measuring time. Okay. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.